Oh no! Oh no! Ew! Oh no, I don't say that, do I? I say, why hello! How the devil are we? Good. See, I got caught napping there. I've just noticed me, oh, it's a bit breezy up here. I've just noticed me flipper flobber's a bit skew-whiffed. Oh well, I'll sort that out in a minute. Anyway, how the devil are we? So I thought, well, I better take the opportunity to come out on the bike. Obviously, now that I've got my new heated gloves and my new heated case jacket, the temperature is mild, naturally. So I've got it all on. I haven't switched it on because I'm a bit warm as it is. And I got a really itchy side of the nose. Anyway, let's have some more of this misty fog. Why not? See, I haven't even got the heated grips on. It's that mild. Right, we're going to go down here. We're not going to pull up there because that's an absolute quagmire. I definitely need to stop and blooming news somewhere. Somewhere before it gets too steep. Well, how about here? Oh, bloody nose, I tell you what. Enough to drive you up the sodding wall, innit? But come on, I know there's a tissue in there. And there it is. Now, I haven't been down here since I had the W800. So that was like a whole 15 bikes ago. So about 6 weeks then. Now then, I wonder what the Ford's like actually. Bumpity 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 bump. Oh no! Oh no! I forgot I tucked my trousers into my boots. Ooh! That wasn't a very good move, Nicholas. I've got a boot full of water. It was a bit deeper than I was anticipating, actually. Good job I got waterproof socks on, isn't it? Silly boy. Well, it'll certainly test these waterproof socks, won't it? If nothing else. There's the Cern Giant not looking very white. Ooh, can I say that? So it's been at least a week since my previous video, and so I must have had something new in that time, surely. Surely something must be new. So, have a look. See if you can spot anything. Oh, you're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. Oh, there it is. Down there. I decided I had to know. It was intolerable not being able to know what the temperature was outside. Wow. Not really, but you get used to looking at the temperature, don't you? You know, you get in the car and it's there. I mean, my Moto Guzzi had it, for goodness sake. Oh, my foot slipped. So I still don't know why Honda didn't include an ambient temperature readout. I mean, the bike will know the ambient temperature for its fueling. So I just don't know why. I mean, maybe they felt that they had enough clutter on the screen as it was. So we'll just pause as we look how pretty it is out through here. Oh my God, that grave's on fire. Anyway, as I was rambling, yeah, I don't know why Honda chose not to. But anyway, I bought one of them things there. Now, it happens to also display the battery voltage. Or the voltage coming through the system anyway. I didn't buy it because of that. It's just that an awful lot of them had that on there. I had to think of the best way to wire it in. And I thought, okay. That's right, I'm going a bit gingerly simply because there's sludge all over the road. Right, so I had to think of the best way to wire it in, because I've already got the sat-nav running off of the auxiliary power terminal. And if you remember, I made up my own socket, using a blank socket and the pins. So I thought, I know, I've got a spare socket that's already pre-wired, because if you recall, I bought a kit and then not long after that I found one that was already wired, ready to go. So I thought I'll use the one that's pre-wired, because that's going to be slightly better quality than the one I made up, because I ripped all the rubber grommets to shreds. So, as always, a job that should have taken no more than half an hour, really. I mean, I've had all of this off before, so I knew what I was doing there. Whipped that off, plugged the new lead in. Job's a good one. Well, not quite, because I had to solder on the cable to feed that, and because I was wanting to run two things off the same plug. I had to cut into the feed twice. So I soldered one lot in. Did I solder it in? Yes, I did. I should know, I did the bloody thing. Yeah, so I soldered it in, shrink wrapped it on, had that ready to go. Plug in, whoosh. Cut the feed for the sat-nav. I was then going to just solder it, tin it in, you know, wrap it round, tin it in, shrink wrap it, job's a good one. But when I was doing it, I thought, maybe it would be easier if I used some spade connectors that came with the shrink wrap that I bought. So, and I'll tell you what, it was bloody lucky I did use spade connectors, because I put it all together, buttoned it all back up, switched it on, that didn't work and that didn't work. And I thought, fucking hell. So, got the multimeter, tested it, and found that the positive and negative was the wrong way round. Not my doing. Not my doing. I mean, I wired black to black and red to red. But that plug, which fits to CFR, is it? Or CRF 250 and 300? Now, whether Honda choose arbitrarily on whichever model of bike they're making, which way the positive comes out of the loom and which way round it's going to go and in the plug, I've no idea. Or whether it was the cheap Chinese plug that was wired up back to front, I don't know. But annoyingly, I had to rip it all apart because I'd shrink wrapped the spade terminals. I'd then wrap them in. Oh, okay. Oh, we got a doggy on the loose. There's not a lot I can do about it. Wonder where he's come from. I don't know. So yes, I just had to reverse the spade connectors. I'm so glad I decided to use spade connectors, because it was then a simple fix. Again, it took me far too long to do all of that. It took me more than 2 hours. Mind you, it doesn't help with my eye. I am blind as a bat these days. I can never find enough light to see what I'm doing properly, do you know? But anyway, it's all done now. And it works. It's not escaped me that it is the season of goodwill and all that malarkey. And I hope that you will join me in the new year. Eat too much, drink too much, and enjoy the time off work. I'm sure most of you are retired anyway. I think I'm about the only one here who works.